Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 9 is going to be vitamin E. Now vitamin E is good because it helps boost the immune system as well as reduces blood clots from forming in your body. Okay, foods that are rich in vitamin E are going to be almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, and much more. So make sure you stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart. And what you're gonna do is hop right in place. And then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this. And then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth. Okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So, if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down. You're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Scoot this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Feel your heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats, open those feet up and go, squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep it work, my friends. Remember, our new saying, okay, just finish. Whatever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down to this Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, tap each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. 5 more seconds. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. Oh, actually, did a quick before. Step, step. Ready to step up points. The next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anybody. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a little 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Again, we're gonna start with number 1, X's. 2 Sumo Squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Done. All right. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finish. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats. Let's go wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees. Last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to go over a game called The Luck of the Draw. So the only materials you're going to need is a deck of cards, one suit, so that should be an ace through king. If you don't have a deck of cards, that's pretty simple. All you have to do is just draw it up. Again, all you need is ace through king, and then that is the only materials you'll need for this activity. So make sure you guys get it prepared and come back. See you soon. All right, so if you have your deck of cards, going to get it ready to go. I'm going to show you exactly how this is played. So as I mentioned to you guys earlier, it's just one suit out of a deck of cards. So again, ace all the way down to king. And what you're going to do with that is you're going to have an activity where you're going to go and have a partner. So this does require a partner. So if you select a 2 through 5, you're going to do 10 lunges. So you're going to do a lunge, which is simple, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Your knee almost hits the floor, and you're going to alternate. So you're going to go 5 on your right, and then switch it up, and then you're going to go 5 on your left. Again, a total of 10. That's a lunge. If you get a 6 through 10, you are going to do squats, 10 of them. So again, feet shoulder width apart, hands down in front of you. And then what you're going to do is drop your bottom down like there's a chair, and then go down and up, squeeze it up top, squeeze those glutes. So you're going to do 10 squats. If you get a jack, you're going to go ahead and plank. And again, all fours. I like to do a push-up plank, which is my hands are out, feet are together, back straight. Hold that for 10 seconds. A queen is a sumo squat. Feet are a little bit wider than your hips. Hands out in front of you, squat down and up. Again, squeeze those glutes when you come up. King, jumping jacks, 10 of them. Make sure your hands go all the way up above your head and go down. Hands and feet are together. And again, last but not least, ace. If you select the ace, the student gets to choose which exercise they want to do. So it is a free choice card. So make sure you stay tuned for Jordan's selection. So I have my partner here, Jordan, and he's going to pick one card from this deck. Now, he cannot see. This is all mixed up. He doesn't know which card is underneath. And whatever card he picks, there's going to be an exercise for that card. So let me give you the exercises. These are just examples. Again, you can create your own exercise that you want to use, but these are mine. So if Jordan pulls a 2 through 5, so numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, he is going to do 10 lunges. So he's going to do 10 lunges, and I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. If he pulls a number 6 through 10, he is going to do 10 squats, and I'll demonstrate that as well. If he pulls a jack, he's going to do a 10-second plank. If he pulls a queen, that'll be a sumo squat for 10 seconds. A king, he's going to do 10 jumping jacks. And an ace, he's going to get to select which exercise he wants to perform. So again, the luck of the draw. He doesn't know what he's going to get, and we'll find out shortly. So check it out. All right, Jordan, going to pick a card. Only one card, okay? So Jordan selected a queen. Now, if you guys forgot what the queens are, a queen, his exercise is going to be 10 sumo squats. Jordan is now going to perform his sumo squats. 10 of them, Jordan. Down and up, nice. Pretending there's a chair behind him. He's getting low, feet are facing forward. He's looking straight. His legs are getting a little wiggly from getting tired, and that's okay. 6, 7, 8, slow, 9, and 10. All right, so now it's my turn to choose a card from the card deck, and I'm gonna see what the luck of the draw has for me. And I've selected a 6. So a 6 is squats, 10 of them. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and do those squats in just a moment. Stay tuned. Since I selected the 6, I'm now gonna do my hand squats, feet shoulder width apart, drop it down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This process will continue until you guys get tired or until you get more people involved. The more the merrier. I always think it's very fun when you have more people involved in this activity. So remember to do your best and always try hard. And again, never know what the luck of the draw may bring you. Take care. I'll see you soon.